In our topic of biomedical engineering, now we are going to talk about implants. Now, you had seen what a pacemaker was. Now, we are going to see what implants are. Now, when we talk about implant, it is a manufactured device which is inserted inside the body to make sure that the unfit part of the body, that is biomedical implant, would go inside the body to recover either the missing biomedical part, okay, biological tissue, either it is missing, it is not functional, or either to enhance it. Whatever manufactured device is inserted, it acts as an implant. Okay, it is different from a transplanted tissue because the thing is not manufactured. Transplanted is already living biological component that is taken from one organism and then inserted into the individual. In the case of implant, it would be synthetically produced and it would be inserted inside the body either to cover up the missing part, or it could be used to enhance some activity. So, we have the application that we have to discuss. You might have heard about the stents. When somebody undergoes a heart surgery, artificial stents are added. Then we have the example of pacemaker was there, that artificial pacemaker is inserted. Then we have the example of artificial lens, cataract surgery, or you are putting artificial lenses being added. Then you are putting artificial nerves, electrical level implants are also being carried out. Then we have the example of knee replacement surgery, the part of knee is replaced by an implant in it. Then we have the example of ocular nerve getting replaced. We have the example of inner ear implant replacements that are taking place. So, all these are implants which are inserted inside the body either to enhance or cover up whatever is missing. You might have heard that when somebody meets with an accident, supposedly part of bone is lost. So, what do we put over there? We say that a rod is being put over there. So, what that rod is metallic part which is acting as an implant in order to cover up that recover basically. It is responsible for recovery of that damage that has occurred to the bone. So, you get an idea what an implant is basically. It is that particular manufactured item or manufactured device which is inserted inside the body to cover up the biomedical loss. Okay. So, that happens to be implants, and we have the example of cataract surgery. We have the example of stents. We have the example of artificial valves in heart surgery that we have, and we have the example of middle ear implants. All right. We have fractured bone implants. And most commonly you must have seen in the advertisement of dentist often has dental implants that get your teeth back by implanting new teeth. So, we have dental implants as well. So, all this is the application of implants that we have around us in the biomedical engineering.